Video 4, take 1.
Perfect.
Hi, Taylor.
Hey, Michaela.
How you doing?
How's it going? I'm doing pretty good. Yourself?
I'm good. So, what if I told you you're about to do your makeup in record time?
How fast are we talking?
Well, let's do a number between 12 and 20.
Let's see. Hopefully I get that 20.
All right, random number between 12 and 20. You ready?
I'm ready for it. Give it to me.
All right, it's actually my lucky number. You're gonna have 13 minutes to do a going out look. Are you ready?
I can do that. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right. Tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alrighty, so I'm definitely gonna start with my eyes. My eyes always take me the longest, and then I'll go on to my face. So I'm definitely thinking like a halo eye, something smoky. So definitely gonna do something smoky with a shimmer or a glitter, of course, in the center. And that's one of the best ways to do a going out look and make it look like you did a lot of something with not doing a lot and on a limited amount of time, basically. So let me go in with this Blend Bunny palette.
How fast do you think you can do a smoky eye?
I've been doing a smoky eye my whole entire life, so I think I could do it pretty fast, honestly.
All right.
Yeah, every single day in high school I wore a smoky eye like a lunatic, and I used to get made fun of, but look where I'm at now. So that smoky eye came in handy, definitely. So I'm just starting with my crease, and then I'll clean up anything. It's gonna look a little patchy right now, but I'll go in with a clean brush to blend it out afterwards. Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a color for the glitter in the center, because usually I like to do a pop of color on my eyes, but I'm just starting with a brown in the crease to deepen that up and smoke it up.
Why do you think smoky eyes were your go-to in high school? What kind of made you inspired to do that?
So I always like to stand out, and I always feel like when you have on a full face of makeup, you're gonna get more compliments than not wearing any makeup. So I always like to be a little bit in your face. A little bit too much, 8 a.m. with a black smoky eye was a little intense. But everyone knew who I was when I was coming down the hall, so.
What about the brows? Were you doing a snatched brow too?
Oh honey, it was 2012, there were no brows. So that was a sight to be seen, definitely. It was just big black raccoon eyes and no brows in sight. So yeah, I'll be right around here.
I'm putting money down that you're gonna finish that smoky eye in under 5 minutes.
I love that. Let me see.
I mean, you're already getting the depth in there.
Right, I'm doing it.
Were you ever a member of the concealer lip community?
Oh, definitely. That and bubblegum pink lip gloss.
Okay, I missed that one.
Yeah. That Barbie pink lip gloss all the way.
I wish I lived through the pearlescent frosted lip phase.
Oh, absolutely.
I would have loved that.
Absolutely. That was such a look with the frosted lip. Alrighty, right there. Take a little spray so it's tacky for the glitter. And I could always deepen anything afterwards. But I just want to have some kind of base going first. All right, and then I'm gonna go on my face and I'll always touch up the eyes after. And I'll put on my lashes all the way at the end, so I'm not worried about that.
And you're only at 3 minutes.
Amazing.
But that gives you 10 minutes left. Can you do it?
I could do it. My face is usually the fastest, so we should be in good. I should be fine with just that. That way it's gonna hydrate my skin, also and keep that makeup full coverage, so if you're going out, you're not sweating off your face, because that's very important. But I always use a full coverage foundation because I can't be doing a skin tint. Absolutely not. I need to cover this redness, this acne.
What do you think about the clean girl trend?
I think it's boring, and sorry girls, I'm over it. Very much over it. I missed when makeup was fun, creative, in your face. You're not even really seeing that much anymore. Even with eyeshadow palettes, they've been very neutral, very lackluster.
So what do you think it's gonna take to bring that back?
People like us. I think we have to definitely bring it back out. Don't be embarrassed, don't be shy to step outside the box. and put on that makeup and let people know, hey, I could look good doing this. I don't have to, because a lot of people are worried about standing out right now because everyone right now is doing this clean girl makeup. So everyone's falling in line with that. But to me, there's nothing that feels better when you put on a full face of makeup. My confidence is always gonna be the highest once I do that. Like if I'm putting on a bare skin makeup tutorial, that's for the beach. That's not for leaving the house, honey.
And you'll go to the grocery store in this.
Oh, 100%.
Oh,
100%.
Me too.
100%. How am I doing on time?
You're almost hitting 5 minutes.
Already, I could do that. We might have some foundation in the hair, but what are we gonna do?
Hey, if you go into the club, it's dark. You can't see. It's fine.
Yeah. No one's gonna see it. Alrighty. I just want to like neutralize the skin. I'll contour and conceal. I feel like I'm in a Food Network challenge right now. It's crazy. An episode of Chopped or something. Okay.
Yeah, keep
Oh
telling
yeah,
me.
so right now I'm contouring my face. I do love a heavy contour. I love being bronzed and tan. Maybe not right now, it's, you know, spring, it's coming.
Would you say what you do is kind of like a bronzer?
Yes, definitely, because I don't really use a cooling, it depends what I have in front of me, honestly, but I'm usually more of like a bronze contour type of person. And I'm not usually a big fan of blush either.
Really?
Yeah.
That is a bold statement.
I know.
That's more intense than the clean girl statement.
Yeah, I know. I've been dabbling with some like cream blushes and trying to get into it, but I think it's because my skin is so red without makeup.
Interesting.
Yeah, that I feel like putting the red back in, I really don't want to do that. So yeah, for my nose contour, I just go right over my nose and I do anything else with concealer instead of like shaping it with the bronzer.
And just that made it look snatched.
Yeah. And then I just clean up with the concealer and it'll be all good to go. There it is.
You're at about 6 minutes, 30 seconds, so you're halfway.
Halfway. Okay. I think we're doing okay. We're doing it. So yeah, I just put a little concealer. I like to use this Tarte Shape Tape. It's very full coverage. A little goes a long way. Do I still put a lot? Of course I still put a lot.
I'm surprised you don't do the triangles.
I know. For a very long time I did. And then I just do the inner and outer corner now. Alrighty. And I just go back in with a brush. I like to use mostly brushes for my makeup application because it's gonna be more full coverage. And the sponge, I feel like it's just gonna absorb the product more and I want it more on my face. Alrighty. So we're halfway. I still have the powder, the pop on the lash.
I feel like the lash is what's gonna take the
I
longest.
know. The lash is giving me anxiety. I'll be honest with you. And I bought new eyelash glue, which was a little ballsy on my part, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's gonna even stick on my eyeball, so we're all gonna learn that together, I guess, right now. All right. Go back in with that bronzer. I'll put a little blush for you, Michaela. Okay?
All right. It's gotta be pink.
That's what I have. Alrighty. Yeah, it's pink enough.
See, I like that. It brings in the warmth of the eye. Holds
No,
everything
definitely.
Together.
Definitely. I'm not really a bubblegum, like Pepto type of pink person. I like this more type of like pink right here.
Neutral.
Yes. Alrighty. I feel like I need a little bit more concealer.
Oh, you like it full coverage.
Oh, honey, we take it on over here. We're not scared to do that. Definitely not.
Are you the type to say something like, I like my makeup to look like makeup?
I would say so, definitely.
Yeah.
I feel like if I'm gonna go through all these steps, I don't wanna look like I just rolled out of bed.
Right.
You know, let people know that the makeup's there. And plus it's gonna last longer also. That's one thing about me. Thank God when I do my makeup, it's not coming off until I get home.
You're at about 9 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Sorry.
I don't know, you still gotta do your lips too. You're gonna make it.
Oh, my lips, honey. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes on the lips.
You don't got 5 minutes, Queen.
Well, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. I have no sense of time. I'm a New Yorker. We're always running late. All right. I put Max Studio Fix powder everywhere.
That's the best.
They changed the formula. Holding on to dear life.
Me too, girl.
Oh my God. And I didn't even stock up when they announced it. So I'm really just holding on to her. And I'm afraid to try the new one. And I swear by this. I've been wearing this for over 10 years. And I used to work for Max, so it's one thing I definitely swear by. All right, my bronzer. You got me flapping and putting on makeup.
You're at 10 minutes. You got about 3 minutes.
Oh my God.
This is pretty impressive, though. This is like.
Thank you.
This isn't even soft glam to me. This is like beat.
Yeah, I've been Russian my whole life, honestly. I'm never on time. And I was like, I'm that type of person that if you're gonna invite me out on last minute, honey, the face is gonna be on. Face is gonna be on without a doubt.
I would maybe get the glue on the lashes or something.
Oh my God, Michaela, you're right. This is what you're here for. I got powder on my shirt. I look like a lunatic. And I'm afraid to use that new glue, so I think I'm gonna go in with my crusty eyelash glue that I brought with me, because at least I know it works. She's on her last leg, but as long as the eyelash is on my eye and not my eyebrow, we'll be okay.
We're getting to the 2-minute countdown here.
Oh my God.
I think you can make it.
I think I could do it.
Once that glue's on, all you gotta do
Yeah.
is flip,
I'll
right?
let that chill out right there. I don't like this lip liner. Oh, there's my lip liner. There she is. I do an overdraw, definitely.
You have any lip filler?
Yes.
Oh. It's like,
Outdated.
okay, you need a real.
Expired. Yeah.
Love that color on you.
Thank you. It's my go-to.
Ooh, with the pale nude gloss.
Nothing like a nude lip, baby.
You got about 1:20.
All right. Popping on the lash, have a piece of hair on it. It's okay. All right. Everything's fine.
Mirror.
Oh, sorry. Just that lash. I gotta get all up in there. Okay.
Not the 2-second lash application.
Listen. Yeah, and you see what you did to me, Michaela? Thanks. Jinxing me. Real nice.
You got less than a minute.
Okay, one eyelash might be down the block. You got my mother giggling in the corner. I always put back on my Beauty Marks black eyeliner. Who cares? In your face. It's fine.
30 seconds.
No, you couldn't get the 20 minutes, huh, Michaela? You couldn't get the 20 minutes for me.
I mean, hey, you did
What's your
pretty
lucky
good.
number?
All right, we're coming down to 10 seconds here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Oh my God, eyelash
3,
on the cheek.
2, 1, stop.
Hands up. Yeah. I can't blink this eye. An eyelash will fall off.
The makeup is eating though.
Thank you.
Oh
Thank you,
my
girl.
gosh.
I'm just gonna, okay. Sorry. I feel a breeze coming. It's not too well right now, but.
I think this is proof right here. You can do a beat.
Oh yeah.
Under
13
20 minutes.
Thank you. So yeah, I'm Taylor Gallo. This is my 13-minute beat that I did for Michaela. For going out looking, how'd I do?
I mean, Uber's on the way. Let's go.
Honey, where we going?
I love that.
That was great. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, the makeup is so good. you were killing that. I could never do that.
That's great.